You happy and you know, clap your hands. When you happy and you know, clap your hands. When you happy and you know, and you really want to show, clap your hands. When you happy and you know, clap your hands. Children, have you noticed? When I was singing, I clapped my hands. So with the song as well as clapping hands, sound was created. Children, so did you come to know what is today's topic? Yes, it is sound. Do you know what is sound? Sound is just a form of energy and sound is created through vibrations. Whenever vibrations are created, sound is produced. And for that vibrations to go from one place to another, medium is required. Okay, what is medium, children? They are solid, liquid and gas. See, what is the example of solid medium? Metal. Yeah, whenever we create the sound with the help of metal, it passes through the metal and we are able to hear the sound. What is liquid? Water. Whenever sound is created in water, we are able to hear the sound. And air. The best example is you and I. Whenever we are in a class, the teacher's sound is reaching to each and every corner of the class. How it is reaching? Because air carries the vibrations of sound to each and every listener. It is not compulsory that listener is always next to the speaker. But the sound created by the speaker is carried to the different places through the air. So finally, what is sound? It is a form of energy and sound creates vibrations and that vibrations are carried through different mediums, solid, liquid and gaseous medium. And sound cannot be propagated through vacuum. Vacuum is a place in which not the solid, liquid or gas mediums are present. Means there is no medium to carry the vibrations of sound. So, sound cannot be propagated through vacuum. Let's see the examples of vibration. See, when we keep a plastic scale on a table in this way and try to pull it towards ourselves, vibrations are produced and sound is also heard. One more time we'll do. Have you noticed? See, another example. This is a tuning fork. It is a metal object and this is a rubber pad. When this tuning fork is banged on the rubber pad, we feel the vibrations in our hand as well as sound is also heard. Hello Deepa Miss.
Hello Pranita Miss.
How are you?
Fine Miss, how are you?
Do you remember in our childhood we used to play with walkie-talkie?
Yes Miss, I remember we used to take 2 ice cream cups, join it with a string or a thread and we used to play with it, right?
Yes, we were getting nice holiday time with it.
Yes Miss, I used to enjoy it, really.
Do you want to try now?
Now?
Yeah?
Yes, sure I will try.
See, I have a walkie-talkie. We'll try this.
Yes, yes. Hello Deepa Miss. Hello Pranita Miss, how are you?
I am fine Miss, how are you?
Yeah Miss, I am fine.
What did you eat today?
Today I had a great lunch, sweet, salad, everything I ate.
Bye bye Deepa Miss.
Bye Pranita Miss. Miss, this is not the same. This is something different I think.
But you enjoyed, na?
Yes, actually.
Do you know this is a modified one, walkie-talkie, and spring is attached to it. And whenever we talk now, we come to know that vibrations are starting, those who are starting from here, passing through the spring and going to the other side. And thus we hear the sound through vibration. So, these vibrations are responsible for the sound that we can see with the help of spring.
Okay, so this is the kit which shows us the vibrations clearly, right?
Yes,
very
for
beautiful.
that this spring is attached.
It is very nice, Miss. Really, I enjoyed.
Ever been to any hill station like Mahabaleshwar, Matheran, Lonavala. Definitely in these all places a eco point is there. When we go to eco point and shout from one hill, we get the sound multiple times back. That is nothing but the reflection of sound, and we can hear the reflection of sound in a form of echo at a particular places only. Children, today we'll make a musical instrument. Okay, it is called as mini mouth organ. You can see the material for it. We require 2 ice cream sticks for it and a chart paper strip of exactly same size. Even you can take a quilling paper strip for it. Okay, so let's do the procedure. And you require double tape also. 4 pieces of double tape. So first we'll take a ice cream stick. Then we'll use on one corner of it a double tape. Another side also will stick a piece of double tape. Now on this double tape, other side you have to stick this paper strip, and again you require 2 pieces of double tape. Again on one side you stick a piece of double tape of the paper strip, and on the other side you will stick the other piece of double tape, and on that you will place the other ice cream stick. Okay, and this is your mini mouth organ. Have you heard the sound? Is it interesting, children? You heard the sound from the mini mouth organ, but what is the concept behind it? Yes, because of the vibrations of this paper strip which is attached between these 2 ice cream sticks, the sound is created, and we heard that sound from it. So why is it? Because of the vibrations of paper strip which is attached between these 2 ice cream sticks. Thank you, children.